Yowang! Yo, say kazi! Teknik! Yowzi! Meski.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Jessica James Ibanez. I am 12 years old, representing from grade 5. Volleyball is my favorite sport, which is relating, pushing, and encourage your teammates. Good players inspire themselves. Great players inspire others.
Good morning, everybody. My name is James Charles Bassett, and I am 10 years old, representing grade 5 under the advisory of Madam Panito. And I believe that talent wins games, but teamwork wins championship.
Whoa, nigga!
Thank you,
Good.
grade 5. Next.